Hello, welcome to the small loft workshop. In this episode, we'll replace the shed roof. The first task was to remove the old barge boards and fascias, and then rip off the old felt. Once I removed as many screws and nails as I could, I cut the rest of the roof in pieces with my saw. On the day I filmed this video, I had new neighbours moving in next door, so it didn't seem appropriate to stand on the shed roof with a camera and microphone filming myself. Once the roof was off, this is what I was left with. Now the shed roof is 22 degrees pitch, so with this information I took some timber to the loft workshop and made some cuts. The first two pieces I cut form the top where the ridge board sat. The old roof is constructed from 22mm tongue and groove floorboards, of which I seem to have an abundance. The small offcut that also measured 22 degrees was inserted at the end to fill the groove. Some areas of repair was needed on the inside, and also so I could fix the edge of the roof to the sides of the shed. I then fixed some extra battens to the underside of the roof. This thickens out the construction and provides more area to fix the felt and other joinery. Finally, using a batten, I ran my circular saw over the roof to square off the edge. The next task is to run my router down these pieces of wood. These will form the fascias. Before I fixed the fascias, I ensured that the timber they was being applied to and the back of the fascias had all been primed. Now it's time for the felt. There are 3 pieces in total, one each side at lower level and one at an higher level that overlaps so the rain doesn't get it. And these are all nailed down with galvanised clout head nails. The felt is trimmed off and nailed to the edge of the roof. Now we wanted to add a pattern to the edge of the felt, so this was trimmed off with a standard knife. Now I'd never done this before, so it was a bit trial and error. At first I tried to do it freehand, and then holding a piece of wood behind. finally a method fixing the two pieces of wood together to save me trying to slash my hand. The edge of the felt was finally secured by a lat that was pre-painted. The final stage was to add some decorative barge boards. I have made a different video to show how to do this, and the link is here. And that's it. Thank you for watching.